afternoon everyone. Married days ka ba? Worry no more. Kasi nga, periods are natural part of life. But your comfort should be never compromised. Introducing a sanitary pad or whisper. A sanitary pad is also known as a sanitary napkin. Is a thin pad made of absorbent material that absorb the menstrual fluid during menstruation. The benefits of this sanitary napkin is number 1, we have more absorbent or 3 times more absorbent comparing to other brand. The second one, comfortable. The third one, easy to use. And the last one is anti-leak barriers. How to use a sanitary napkin? First step to do is to unwrap the sanitary pad like this. And after that, the second step is to open the sanitary napkin. And the third step is to unfold the sanitary napkin like this. And you remove the sticker, and the back portion is removed also. And after you remove the sticker, you put it to your panties or underwear like that. So can be able to pamadikit, okay? So the last step is after you use the sanitary napkin, dispose it properly. You fold that like this and you make it roll. And after you roll, you put plastic and dispose it to the proper way or to the proper trash can. Pause. Ma'am, pwede ba kitang ma-interview?
Yes.
Ano po yung ginagamit nila na napkin?
Whisper.
Whisper po. Ano yung advantage ng Whisper sa ibang brand po?
Yung whisper kasi hindi siya makate and
Okay.
very comfortable siyang suotin.
Okay.
Yun lang.
So, okay po. Salamat po sa interview, ma'am. Long day, pero heavy period. Switch na to the longer period. Whisper, 3 times more absorbent comparing other brand. Kaya, get yours na!